Hello, young prodigies. I'm going to be teaching you, that's right, you, how to make an advertisement. If you doubt my credentials, look here in the fine print of the Constitution of Qatar. I've brought people such advertisements as Hedon and Get Clean TM. But you're not here to hear about my advertising history. You're here to learn how to make one. The first thing you're going to need is a snazzy name. What's your name now? John Phillips? What you're going to need is a name like Phil Swift or Tyler Fast. Next, you're going to need to seem excited. Even if you're promoting something like body soap or a suicide prevention hotline, you're going to need to seem excited or people simply won't buy your product. You're also going to want to hop in a time machine and change into a middle-aged white man with a mortgage and an unhappy marriage. Next, you're going to need to keep repeating what you have to say, because the people who will be watching your ad will have the average attention span of an autistic lemur. If you want, you could take the route of the tomahawk montages that people pay tens of thousands of dollars to put in their staged video game clips on YouTube videos with a promotion of their channel at the end. Now, a lot of people are going to have ad block, so you're going to want to make a Twitter, SoundCloud, Instagram, all those. If you have to go into your neighbor Jonathan's yard, the one who worked in the concentration camps in World War II, and just shout your ad. Go outside to your local KFC with a picket sign and a sleeping bag and just scream the your ad. See what I did just there? I repeated myself multiple times to get my point across, just like you should do in your ad. Next, you're going to want to put your social medias in the bottom. And when you think, okay, I'll just do them super small on the corner. No, your social media should take at least 1/5 of the screen. And with all that, you should be able to make your own advertisement.
Make the ground shake.
Like mine. Thanks for watching. Bye. So, that was an okay video. Don't know when our next one's gonna be released. Thank you to all our patrons. Cam Winkler is the only patron right now, but we have a Patreon page, link in the description. I hope everyone has a nice day and doesn't die. Goodbye.